Welcome to Energize and Engage. Hi, I'm Asamanyu Mahanti, your host. So, AI is replacing jobs, not how you think. AI is not replacing people. AI is replacing the redundant tasks. Manual reports, data entry jobs, basic coding, these are the ones getting replaced fast, disappearing basically. Creativity, problem solving, caregiving, hospitality, and above all, AI tools with AI skills, these are the ones which are high in demand. A question which I'm often asked is, does AI feel emotions like humans? No, absolutely not. AI can act emotional, even sound emotional, and comfort you. However, it feels nothing. It has no heart, no mind, and no emotions. You know what? AI is just like an actor reading a script with perfect performance and zero emotions. So, why fear AI? Understand it. Adapt, learn, learn the AI tools available. Every day, the market is getting flooded with new AI tools. You know what? If you adapt, you make your future better. You get future ready because one AI skilled resource can complete multiple tasks in an hour, and that's a big threat to the one who's unskilled in AI. Follow, energize, and engage for more tips and smarter career growth. Take good care of yourself and make it a great day. Thank you.